This time my family also has a table. Find a piece of wood for a tabletop. On the back, I'm going to thin it by about a centimeter, mainly because this wood is too long. I want to make a very thin table. After cutting a layer used to hide the circuit, and then draw the 6 inside, used for partitioning. Next, replace the drill head with a thick drill. Me begins drilling holes because it's like a sky full of stars, so drill at will. It's like injecting wood. I don't know snakes. How many holes are there now? There is so much pain behind it. Next, plug the light cable into the hole. Remember to add a little UV glue and then use the light. The glue will freeze. It's just too many holes. It takes time. Just plug it in one by one, and it takes a day. I knew I'd cut fewer holes. After turning the plank over and looking from the front, it's like this. Compound pelletizer aluminum edges into edges. This is also the leftover from my renovation. Small glue that heats up the edges plays the role of sealing. Add dark powder to boxy printing glue water and stir it to make it the color of the night sky. First, spread one layer with a brush. I thought it was okay, but something happened. As planned, I'll paint it black as follows. Colors like moldy wood. It's not just moldy, it's hairy, but we still have a chance to make it right. Put plastic on the surface. Let the plastic glue flow naturally, and flat. The black will be. Just have to wait a few hours. It's frozen. It's possible to remove the surrounding contour. Then cut the convex fiber out of the surface and flat surface polishing. This step is my forte, haha. Repolished with rough sandpaper first. Grinding of uneven positions. Then replace the fine sandpaper for polishing. After 2 hours of polishing, finally the table surface becomes flat and smooth. Continue to handle the back. This fiber looks too messy. Have to rearrange them, because I want to make a very thin table. So the optical fiber of each frame, it's all curled up and fixed in sequence. That would be much more comfortable. I will give him my soul next. Put LED lamp beads into this metal tube. Put the metal tube on the optical fiber. Use modular temple width fixed in the center of each area. Then install a set. It's just that I still need to install over 100 sets. It takes another day. It's finally installed. I'm just a little tired, haha. To adjacent temple modules connected by plug wire. Do the wicked see you healed? Electrical connection check if it can glow. Fortunately, everything is fine. Cut off the excess around the countertop. The table must also be colored. I spray painted it black. The color of the table and the table is the same. And put a transparent acrylic on the back. Place a roll-in tissue protection to the fixed circuit module by screws. Like this ultra-thin south sensor table is finished. The thickness of the countertop is only 2.5 centimeters. Put it on this old table of mine. Let's see the city. Just use your hand. The table will light up. Would you like a table like that? I made for Tofu sofas at home. It's a comfortable large bed. It can also be combined into a regular sofa. Shoved it into the snack corner, and it's great to eat. So, I bought some wood in to try out this Tofu sofa. First, assemble the cut wood into a square, fixed more round. So there's a solid wood frame like this. Next, attach more pieces of wood around for convenience for sponge paste. Using homemade tools to install a solid exo furnace. Plus 2 layers of elastic tape. In this way, not the basis of the sofa. Theo started pasting the sponge. Let's try it. Looks like NT0 used sound magic to copy 3 more. To make the shape of the sofa plump, I used both cotton bags to cover the surface. You also have to adjust the positions. So new look out the shape of the beans. Next, you can start making sofa covers. Put a cloth on top, and you can put the seat cover on. Use a nail gun to fix it. Then pull the rope tight and nail it to the stick. Make another leg of the chair. One is done. Then do the magic again. Sleeping on this big sofa bed is so comfortable. I used a few hundred small pieces of wood. Fix an old watch at home into a unique brush. Listen to everyone's advice. Protect the floor before doing it. Cut long wooden bars into small pieces. Never sit across from the saw blade. Being shot at really hurts. I advise everyone to wear gloves. You have to wait until the blade stops working. New moving wood block. Take out the old watch to determine the size. Cut it out and fold it. Number and start making solace. Layer by layer with old glue. Further fixed by nail gun. Layer by layer stacked in. Then brush the wood carcass oil. I look poor. And then use a tamper cutter to cut the dial. Transfer the graphics to be cut to the wood board. That way you can watch while you're in school. I find this really healing and convenient. It was finally all cut. So there's just a few simple steps. First, use a wooden board to make a cloth. Use glue one by one. It only needs 9 floors. And then use a little coloring pen. That way the level will be richer. The watch face is done. Put the clock in. There's another table missing. Because the wood board size is limited, you can only put the halves of the circle together. It's like doing Fisher. Each stacked. Then do the edges roll around and reassemble them. Let's see the last city. I made a sofa with a play area for kittens. It's not just a 2-story cat tunnel. You can also play with cats through the door at any time. Sitting up feeling soft is simply too happy because my cat loves to sit in the chair with me. Sometimes it actually affects the performance of the job. I've been researching and I want to make a sofa myself that cats and humans can use. I'll split it into 2 parts. Let's start with the frame of the chair. Wooden board according to the seat size. Fixed my position. And then there's a wooden frame. Need to fix the elastic rope on it. Finally fixed to the right altitude this way. My seat is done. I'll do the position of getting the size of the chair armrest. This sofa can be used as a cat tunnel, but I feel like this altitude is a bit of a waste. So I changed it to 2 floors, and the tunnel space looks much nicer. Then install the back partition. I made a hole in the middle, convenient for cats up and down. To be nicer, I plan to use the BA connector in assemble the outermost plank. So cannot see the screw? Play with cats at any time. I opened 2 windows on the armrest. On the side also make some convenient windows to observe cats. Used 2 pieces of wood together. On the back, it can also be used as a shelf. Finally, for safety's sake, I polished all the sharp corners. So the frame of the sofa is done. I decided to make a sofa cover with anti-meow cloth. This blue to combine with green. I painted it not black chestnut. It feels so cool to me. And it's waterproof and sunscreen. I'm going to cover the first position arm. According to the size and shape, separately set a foam frame. Then put the sponge with color softness glued up in turn. Outside the same type of soft cotton wrap. Then cut the anti-cat scratch side sewn together by sewing machine. Finally wrapped up. Then fix it with a nail gun underneath so that cushion section the armrests are finished. Next is my seat cushion. To increase comfort, I use a real sponge. Fix the seat cover directly to the frame. Then install the silent wheel underneath. That's it. This sofa is for the 2 of us. Not only sit up very soft, comfortable, normal, it can also make noise while working. Cats can always be with me. When you are tired, play with the cat. Really so happy. See you guys later.